Greetings, welcome to this tutorial on automating tutorial video media. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create professional quality tutorial videos using a combination of tools and techniques. To follow this tutorial, you need to have a computer with internet access and a microphone, a free or paid account on Descript.com, Synthesia.ai, and Pictory.ai, a text editor or a word processor, basic knowledge of writing, recording, and editing audio and video. If you're new to any of these tools or skills, don't worry. You can check the links in the description for tutorials, help pages, and documentation. For this tutorial, we'll be using a tutorial script, which you can write in any text editor or word processor. Descript, a platform that lets you transcribe, edit, and produce audio and video with ease. Pictory.ai, an AI-driven platform that generates animated videos from text and voice. Synthesia.ai, a platform that lets you create customizable avatars to star in your videos. Microphone, headphones, and webcam for recording and editing your voice over an avatar in the visuals. And finally, a video editor of your choice. You can sign up for free trials or paid plans on these platforms, depending on your needs. Following these steps will outline tutorial media in need of revision. 1. Script your tutorial. Record your voiceover in Descript. Add visuals with Pictory. Create an avatar with Synthesia.ai and export and share your tutorial video. Start by writing a script for your tutorial. Be sure to include step-by-step instructions, useful tips, and visuals or screenshots to help illustrate concepts. Use part 1.0 of this series as a template. Next, record your voiceover in Descript. Simply upload your script and record your narration directly in the app. Edit out any mistakes or dead air to create a polished narration. Using Pictory, you can bring your script to life with animated visuals. First, convert your script into a script format recognized by Pictory, then add visuals and animations to illustrate concepts. Finally, use Synthesia to create an avatar of yourself to star in your tutorial video. This feature requires a premium subscription to customize the voiceover. Once you have all the elements, export the final video and share it on your desired channel. Open your preferred video hosting or sharing platform, e.g., YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, TikTok, and upload the final video. You can add a title, a description, and some tags to the video to make it more discoverable and appealing. Use part 1.2 of this series as a template to automate this process. You can also embed the video on your website or blog, or share it on social media. Congratulations! You've created a tutorial video that looks and sounds great, without spending too much time or effort.
Here are some tips to improve your tutorial video quality and efficiency. Write a concise and clear script that highlights the main points of your tutorial and matches your audience's level of knowledge and motivation. Use Descript's transcription feature to transcribe your voiceover automatically. Use a good microphone and record in a quiet environment to avoid background noise and distortion. Use natural language and speak in a friendly and engaging tone to keep your audience interested and connected. Use visual aids and examples to illustrate your points and help your audience visualize abstract concepts or complex processes. Focus on the essentials and avoid unnecessary repetition or deviation to keep your tutorial concise and effective. Use humor, stories, or personal anecdotes to add a human touch and make your tutorial more relatable and memorable. Use visuals sparingly and only when they help explain the concepts you're teaching. Test your tutorial video on a small group of people before sharing it publicly and collect feedback, comments, and suggestions to improve it. Here are some common issues or errors you might encounter and how to resolve them. The transcription is inaccurate or incomplete. You can manually edit the transcript using Descript's word processor, or use automatic transcription software like Otter.ai or Temi. You can also record your voice more clearly and slowly, or use a different microphone or environment. the visuals are too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the animation using Synthesia.ai settings, or manually edit the timing and the duration of each element using the timeline or the animation software. The avatar animation is robotic or unnatural, you can use more expressive gestures and expressions, or adjust the keyframes and the easing options to make the animation smoother and more human-like. You can also practice your own body language and mimicry to enhance the avatar's performance. The video quality is poor, you can check the video resolution, bitrate, and format to ensure they are compatible with your platform's requirements. You can also use video enhancing software or services like Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, or Vimeo Premium. If you experience technical difficulties with any of the platforms, check their help documents and forums for support.
Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to automate tutorial video media using ChatGPT. We hope you've learned some valuable insights and tools to create more engaging, efficient, and professional tutorial videos for your audience. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please let us know in the comments below or via email. And don't forget to check the additional resources in the description for more tips and tricks. Happy automating!